Hi there beautiful friend, want to stop Facebook from automatically playing the next video without your permission? In this quick tutorial, I will show you the exact settings to disable autoplay next video in just a few minutes, making your viewing experience calmer, more private and easier to control on your mobile device today easily. Let's jump right in. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you can log into your current account. After that, look at the top left corner. Here find the 3-line hamburger menu icon. Tap on them. From the pop-up menu, scroll down a little. First, tap on settings and privacy. After that, click on settings to open the Facebook settings page. Once you are in the settings, scroll down a little. Look for the preferences section. Under the media option, tap on them. Now scroll down again. Look for the autoplay in feed and stories. Here you can see 3 options. Right now, my phone is selected on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only. If your phone is selected that, this means the autoplay next video mode is turned on. To turn it off, simply select the never option and automatically changes it. This means you have successfully disabled Facebook autoplay next video on your phone. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe and share for more easy Facebook tips, privacy tutorials and helpful tech guides every day. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.